Hi, my beautiful souls. It's Jody from Soft Soul Yoga. Oh my God, it's stunning out today. It is gorgeous, finally. We're on the farm. We're going to go get Molly's attention. Going to try to figure out where I'm going to work out today. I definitely want sun, so let's see where I'm going to go. Here comes our girl. I'm going to give her a little banana. Hi, Molly. Do you want to say hi to your fans? Oh, okay. Night. Oh my God, how pretty are we? Hi, Molly. You want to say hi to everyone? Yeah. She loves banana. How gorgeous is it out? Oh, we're going to get a workout, right, Molly, today? Hi, my beautiful souls. It's Jody from Soft Soul Yoga. Hi, I'm here. Oh my God, we got a gorgeous day out today. I got my tea. It's a little breezy today, so I'm gonna be fighting the wind, but I hope you guys all got to see Molly. We gave her a little banana earlier, and oh God, this is so great. It is, I needed this. I just got home from work, unloaded everything. I'm present. It's a little chilly out. I don't know. I might be taking these off and I may not be taking them off. So we'll see. I hope everybody had a great Monday. So I just want to first and foremost say thank you all for coming and tuning in on Saturday at my live show. That was great. Everybody interacted. It was wonderful. I was so happy to see all my regulars and everybody supporting me in this community, and this is so great. So I am here and I'm present. So with that being said, I have my tea, which I needed today, and today we did the black. So this is my one piece that I'll be working out in, and these cute little pants are from Free People. So I will link these, and they're very, I'm like very comfortable. I'm like wondering if I should just stay in this outfit, and I'm not too sure if I even want to take off the pants. So but that breeze is just amazing. I just can't tell you how much, like, I waited all weekend for this. So anyway, how was everybody's weekend? Let's just do a little stretch while we're sitting here. How was everybody's weekend? Ours was good. We're starting to put the flowers out, as you could tell a little bit. Starting to get that's my hibiscus, and I bought some new pillows for out here. And what else did we do? We went and bought an armoire for me, because this is exciting news. I am excited because I got myself a new armoire, because you know how I love to be in all my outfits and stuff, and change and wear special things for you guys. And so now I get to put all my clothes in it, because I had no room for anything. I didn't even have drawers and like a cute little armoire, but now I have like a full-grown beautiful one. So I'm all excited, and that's coming on the 11th. And hopefully you had a great weekend, and the sun just feels so great. We had a little bit of rain over the weekend, so it wasn't too wonderful, but I'm outside today, and this just makes me happy. So Molly is, we just gave her some banana. She wanted to say hi. And today at work, I was busy as usual, but couldn't wait to come here to film something, because I just wanted to be here and see everybody. And make sure I put something out for you. Also, my Patreon, thank you for joining and subscribing to that. And don't forget, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for showing up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a lot. I want to build this community up, and everybody keeps asking me to do more videos and shows and show the farm, and that's basically what I want to just keep doing, and showing you a lot of movements that help me throughout my, my day. So again, this is like a beginner's, this is great for beginners. It's great for people who are in their 40s and 50s and older, because, we can't be that flexible and not hurt ourselves. And that's not what we want to do, So we just want to keep things simple, and we want to make sure that we're flexible and that we have strength and that we can move and get rid of all these aches and pains, and just do a daily dose of soft soul yoga. And everything's very soft. So, and I'm squinting, so I apologize, because I love the sun. When I was little, my mother used to have, I used to have 2 windows in my room, and I would pull the blinds up all the way, and I wasn't the one that slept in darkness. Nope, not me. But I did sleep with the blinds all the way up in the Bronx, and just have that sun beating down on my face. I thought that was just like, and I'm still like that today. So this is why I love being outdoors. I love just being here. And so anyway, I guess like the last half, I'll take these off when we're doing legs and stuff. So cheers. You guys all know about my soups. All know about my teas. Sorry about that. All right, let's do a little breathing. Let's sit. Okay, my feet are gonna slip off, but if you could, okay, I'm gonna get all tangled up too. And we're just gonna breathe and listen to nature right now. And if you close your eyes, maybe you guys can tell me what you're hearing right now. Ready? So we're gonna do a little cat cow. Let's bend up for cat and down for cow. And make sure you bend your head up. Stretch out that back. And stretch out your legs. And let's do that again. And down. It's almost like a cobra, like an assisted cobra. And back. And hold it up. And back. Okay, bring your legs back up and down. Okay. Let's bring that over. And over. down and over and down. Let's round out our backs a little bit. And reverse. All right, put your legs together and sit. And sit. Oh. That just feels so good. After I'm done here, I'm probably going to go for a nice 1 mile walk. And remember what I was saying, you want to go walking and you want to get everything, the heart rate up, and you just want to make sure you walk. So walking is essential. So make sure everybody gets that in, okay? Let's do round. After this, we're going to do a little abs. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to stretch. And up. Let's do cat-cow. And stretch it out into cobra. I'm going to call this assisted cobra. This is my black cobra. Amazing. It's just, I love sitting out here. So, what can I tell you about my weekend while I'm here? So again, I don't know if I finished telling you. So yes, we went out and we went to go get an armoire. Oh, and Mother's Day is coming this weekend. So I'm excited because I'm hoping I could do a live show this Saturday, but we will see because I am traveling to my daughter's house and she's hosting her first Mother's Day for us. So I'm excited for me and actually my best friend who is my son-in-law's mother. So we grew up together. My daughter winded up marrying her son. She knew it from when they were babies that was going to happen. And, you know, they lost touch when they were maybe in their, I don't know, maybe when they were like 6, because we both moved away, and then years later everybody had a life and did their thing, and now they're married. We had a wedding last year and they're married, and so I'm going there this weekend, so I'm very excited. And I get to see my best friend, and we're gonna take some pictures, and I can't wait to see everybody. So I'm gonna be there Saturday, so I'm not too sure about my live show on Saturday. I may do it on Mother's Day on Sunday, so I might have a Mother's Day special. So I just want you all to know, I do have on my Amazon link down below, I have a little Mother's Day favorite. If you guys need any help, gals, just click on it. I have some cute, fun stuff on there, and go check it out. And that's kind of it. But again, thank you for being here. I'm so glad we got this community. I'm so glad I'm here. And then tomorrow I'm going to do another show. And I heard it's going to be beautiful out. So guess what? We're going to do it outside, and we're probably going to be with Molly. So, yay! I don't know where she went. She's probably with Pablo. And all right, so anyway, I just wanted to come here and do a quick release. And I love you all and hope to see you soon, okay? Bye. Actually, see you tomorrow. Bye.